everyone, good morning. Today we are going to learn about a fraction, or you can say a fractional number. A fraction is used to represent a part of a whole. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. A numerator which is above the line and a denominator which is below the line. Example, a half. 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator.
Types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, equivalent fractions, mixed fractions, and like. Let's see the example. Here is one whole, and then we divide to be 5 same parts, and 2 of them we put the blue color as numerator, and then 5 as denominator. Example: 5/1/4 is 5 plus 1/4. 2/3 is 2 plus 2/3, and etc. Now about proper fractions and improper fractions. A proper fraction is one where denominator is smaller than the denominator. It is what we normally think of as a fraction. Example: 4/7. 4 is numerator and 7 is denominator. All numbers can also be written as a fraction. For example, 4/4 means 4/4, which is the same as one whole. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions tell us about same size. Fractions involve dividing a whole into smaller parts or breaking up a big group into smaller groups, so we can get the same size even if we divide in different ways. Example: I have a chocolate cake and plain cake of the same size. I cut the chocolate cake into 4 equal parts while the plain cake is cut into 2 equal parts. We can see that 2 pieces of the chocolate cake is equal in size to 1 piece of the plain cake. Here is another way of looking at equivalent fractions. I cut a cake into 2 equal pieces. Then I further cut each of the pieces into the smaller equal pieces. Now I have 4 small pieces. 2 of the small pieces will be the same size as one of the previous piece. Look at the picture. Similarly, 1 piece of the whole cake. This means that 2/4 and half are of the same size, so we say 2/4 is equivalent to half. This means that to find equivalent fractions, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. The concept of equivalence is therefore similar to the concept of equal.